Hello everybody. Today we're going to take a look at the Godox SL60W. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what we got. Oh, let's try it this way. Power cord. Manual. Warranty information. Got the light. Big reflector dish. And the remote. Alright. Feels like a pretty heavy duty power cord. Might help if I twist it the right way. It's not going to be a real in-depth video. There's about a bazillion videos out there. Main thing I wanted to do is kind of just make a before and after. Here in a minute, I'll show you guys what I'm currently set up with. Might get a kick out of it. Alright, here's a look at my current setup. You can see shooting through this big diffusion panel. Take a look back behind it. There's the camera mounted up on the Varipole. And here's my light, just a little $10 special with a clamp to the pole with a daylight LED bulb. Just shining through here down to my desk. And let's swap it out with this guy and see what it looks like. Alright, here we are with the new setup. Got a big softbox with a diffusion panel. There's the new Godox SL60W. Got the main camera down there, probably can't see it real well. But this is the Cheetah box, 32 by 48. Here we are. Got the new softbox on the Godox SL60W. Let me know what you think. Currently using double diffusion with a grid. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.